I'm Gene Burke.
And I'm Fatima Williams.
Welcome to KPN News.
We would like to take this time to acknowledge our visitors. We thank you for coming and look forward to seeing you again. We have CDs available in the back of the church, and if you are a first-time visitor, one is available to you for free. Please feel free to ask our sound person for more information.
Are you seeking sound teaching from the Word of God? Are you tired of church as usual? Well, the Family Life Worship Center welcomes you to join us every Sunday at 6:30 p.m. for a powerful worship experience and, of course, a compelling Word of God. Also on Tuesdays, join us right here at 6:45 p.m. for a life class where you will receive literal instructions for empowerment. We're located at 413 East Tabor Road in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, 19120. We're also in the International Christian High School. Each month, we believe God for 60 people to seed $50 into our building fund. We need your help to expand the ministry. Don't forget your contribution today. July is Fellowship Month. Each week during the month of July, we will be hosting a different pastor from Associated Ministries. First Sunday, July 5th, Pastor Paul K. Satchel of New Beginnings Christian Church in Philadelphia. Second Sunday, July 12th, Pastor Ruben L. Ortiz of Iglesia del Barrio, or Church in the Neighborhood in Philadelphia. Third Sunday, July 19th, Pastor Steve and Wanda Martin of Higher Ground International Ministries in Conshohocken, PA. Fourth Sunday, July 26th, Wiggs, our senior pastor, Apostle Barry J.T. Divine, Pastor Ronald Draper, and Pastor Terrell. Join us Saturday, July 11th, 2009, as we celebrate family, our family. Come and play softball and basketball, try running the obstacle course, go swimming, or participate in the barbecue cook-off. Have fun and fellowship at the FLWC Family Outing. The location is at the Zeiler Playground located at B Street and Olney Avenue in Philadelphia. All are welcome. KPN returns in August with the Sunday Night Show with Gene Keys, featuring Praise One and the Underdogs, Robert Hassan James, editor-in-chief of Root Magazine, Barry J.T. Divine, author of Truth About Relationships, and Kevin Furlow and the Sunday Night Show Band. The Sunday Night Show with Gene Keys premieres Sunday, August 23rd, 2009. For a list of our calendar events and more, visit our website at www.thelifecenter.com.